Looking to fine-tune app volumes without shaking up your entire desktop? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting individual app volumes in Windows 11. Let's dive in. First off, head to Settings on your computer. Then, navigate to System from the menu on the left. After that, give a click on Sound. Next up, scroll down a tad and hit Volume Mixer. Now, in the Apps section, you'll spot a lineup of apps, each with its own volume slider. To tweak an app's volume, simply slide the slider left or right until it hits your preferred level. Fear not, adjusting an app's volume here only affects that specific app, not your entire system. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to adjust an app's volume without messing up with your whole system in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.